How to fix Sims 4 keeps crashing or freezing. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Sims 4 keeps crashing or freezing issue. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Step 1. End unnecessary background processes. Right click on the taskbar and click on Task Manager to open Task Manager on your device. In processes, and all non-essential tasks to reduce background activity, especially on your lower-end PC. Once done, you have to simply close the task manager on your device. Step 2. Adjust the display settings. Right-click on your desktop, then you have to click on the display settings. Once the display settings opens, if you have multiple monitors, you have to click the identity to select your main one. Under Scale and Layout, set the size to 100%. Ensure that the display resolution matches your in-game resolution. Apply changes if necessary and then close the settings bar. The third step to follow is simply you have to update the Windows and graphics driver. Click on the Windows icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. And then you have to search for settings, or you can easily select settings from the available application. After that, you need to select, or simply you can search for window update settings. Go for it. And if you see any updates, you simply need to check that your system is up to date by clicking on check for updates. Once your window has been updated, you need to make sure that you update your graphic driver through your driver app or by downloading the latest version online for optimal performance. Once you do that, you will easily fix Sims keeps crashing or freezing issue. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.